Welcome to ArizonaDrone.net. My name is Rich Charpentier, and I'm the founder of AZ Drone. Well, you can learn a lot about the drone services we offer by reading through the website. I know most visitors don't have the time to read all the information we present here, so that's why I put this video together. Why tell you what we can do when we can show you what we do? While you're listening to me, you're watching a video that features our drone progression reporting service that we offer to clients. From the start of a new build site to the completion of a project, Arizona Drone can help you show the progress of your job site through daily, weekly, or monthly images and videos. This is just one part of the services we offer to our client base. We're happy to work residential and commercial sites alike. Some clients we work with want to document the changes in construction on their own residential properties. Other clients are looking to document large-scale construction projects, and we're happy to accommodate the needs of both small clients as well as large clients. In addition to our drone construction progression reporting that you're seeing here, we also offer a broader variety of drone services: drone real estate imaging and video, raw land imaging and video, residential video walkthroughs, two-dimensional and three-dimensional models of buildings and raw land sites alike. These are just a few examples of the work we provide for our clients. AZDrone.net is here to help you tell your story through the drone services we offer. There are a wide variety of services available for those in the construction industry, real estate, and more. Get in touch with us today to discuss your drone service needs. We're happy to answer any questions about our services you might have. We'll look forward to hearing from you soon.